Thank you, everyone, and it is now my pleasure to first tell you about the Wheelock Nardi Award and then to welcome this year's recipient. The Wheelock Nardi Advocacy Award was established in 2000 and named in honor of New Hampshire Hospital Superintendent Major Wheelock and the late Theodora Nardi, former New Hampshire State Representative. These two individuals authored the 1982 Wheelock Nardi report that resulted in a dramatic and innovative change to the delivery of mental health care in the state of New Hampshire. The award recognizes people whose advocacy and community service have benefited persons affected by mental illness, and it honors the legacy of Mrs. Nardi and Mr. Wheelock. Each year, the Mental Health Center of Greater Manchester looks for individuals or groups who have distinguished themselves through their efforts to improve mental health of our community and to improve the lives of those living with mental illnesses. Service to the community can be accomplished in many ways as a result of a volunteer effort, professional service and dedication, or through the coordination of a group or a team of individuals. It is my distinct honor and pleasure to introduce you to the 2021 Wheelock Nardi Award recipient, Senator Donna Soucy. For those of you who may not be familiar with all the good works that Donna has done, she is the New Hampshire State Senator representing District 18, which includes 5 Manchester wards and the town of Litchfield. Her public service includes 3 terms as State Senator and 2 terms as a Manchester Alderman and nearly 4 terms on the Manchester School Board, and serving as the first female chair of the Manchester Fire Commission. Senator Soucy was elected President of the New Hampshire Senate on December the 5th, 2018, and was elected Senate Minority Leader on November 6, 2020. In 2014, Senator Soucy was named Legislator of the Year by the New Hampshire Coalition Against Domestic Sexual Violence and by the New Hampshire Association of Social Workers in 2016. In addition to her public service, Donna is an active member of the New Hampshire Bar Association and sits on the board of the Hellenic American University, an institution chartered in New Hampshire and located in Athens, Greece. A native of Manchester, Donna is a graduate of Trinity High School and earned her Bachelor of Arts from St. Anselm's College and her Juris Doctorate from UNH School of Law. The Mental Health Center of Greater Manchester turned to Senator Soucy in 2016 to legislate changes to the New Hampshire Medicaid law, paving the way for telehealth visits to be paid for individuals living in metropolitan service areas such as Manchester. The Mental Health Center was able to get quickly started in telehealth, which positioned us to quickly pivot to provide remote services to our patients in the face of the COVID-19 pandemic. Little did we know that her work in 2016 would be so life-saving for us as an organization and for our patients who depend on our vital services. So it is with great honor, Donna, that I present you with the 2021 Wheelock Nardi Award.
Thank you so very, very much. I can't tell you how humbled I am to receive this award, knowing the work of Major Wheelock, certainly by reputation, but actually personally knowing Representative Theodora Nardi, who was just an extreme force to be reckoned with. She was a very staunch advocate, particularly for the underprivileged, particularly for mental health, and those are big shoes to fill, but I'm happy to have followed her into the legislature and been able to do some of this work. Introducing legislation that allowed people access to mental health, to me, was something that just absolutely made sense and something I was very proud to do. The fact that it allowed the Greater Manchester Mental Health association to be able to serve people in this extraordinary time in our history is absolutely wonderful. But really, the shout out and the work that the association did and was able to do was just facilitated by the legislation that I sponsored. The true heroes here today are those who each and every day, and even under the most trying of circumstances, continue to assist those who have mental illness. So I'm very honored and very proud to receive this award, and I thank you.